Hey guys, it's Leia. Today we'll talk about how to solve exponential equations. The easiest way to solve exponential equations is to have the bases on each side of the equation be the same. If this is possible, then set the exponents equal to each other and solve for the variable. However, this is not always possible, so in that case, first isolate the exponential expression, then take the log or ln of both sides, and use these identities. It doesn't matter if you use log or ln, but if the base is e, then I suggest using ln. And finally, solve for the variable. First example, we have 6 to the x plus 5 equals 115. First, we isolate the exponential expression, so we subtract 5 from each side. Next, we will take the ln of each side to get rid of the exponent. This simplifies to x ln of 6 equals ln of 110. We solve for x by dividing by ln of 6. So x equals ln of 110 divided by ln of 6 is our answer. Next example, we have 3 to the power of 5 minus x equals 9 squared. We can use a trick and rewrite 9 squared to have a base of 3. 9 squared is equal to 3 squared squared. Now we can set the exponents equal to each other because they have the same base. So we solve for x, and we get x equals 3 as our answer. Last example. This example is a little tricky. We have e to the 2x minus 7 times e to the x plus 6 equals 0. We will rewrite e to the 2x to be e to the x squared. Now here comes the trick. We set a variable u equal to e to the x. Now we can rewrite this equation in terms of u. We have u squared minus 7u plus 6 equals 0. And now we have a quadratic equation. So we factor the quadratic expression, and then we set each factor equal to 0, and we solve for u. We get u equals 6 and u equals 1. Now we want to write the answer in terms of x. Because u equals e to the x, we substitute in 6 and 1 for u. Next, we take the ln of each side to get rid of the exponent. We now use this identity, and we get x equals ln of 6 and x equals 0 as our answer. Solving exponential equations is tricky, so for more help and practice on this topic, visit www.symbolab.com and click on the Practice tab.